Introducing LiberNovo Omni, the world's first truly dynamic ergonomic chair. No matter your shape or posture, it adjusts to fit you. The world's first Bionic FlexFit backrest. A spine that works with yours, meeting every angle and curve. Tailored support that moves the way you do. Lean back and feel it. Headrest, back, arms and seat adjusted in perfect sync. This is Omni Dynamic Support, only from LiberNovo. Most chairs don't get it. Sitting at a desk isn't static. You shift, you lean, you focus, you unwind. Omni follows your every move all day, supporting your neck, your waist, your arms, and your flow the entire time. This is dynamic ergonomics at its best, supporting you in any posture for a healthier, more comfortable workday. Choose your mode. 105 degrees for meetings. It's a breeze to take the neck support off. 120 degrees for focused work. And 135 degrees to relax. Feet hanging? Use the step sync. Think that's all? Nope, there's more. Take 5. The OmniStretch massage helps release deep spinal tension and alleviate neck strain. It's not just a break, it's a full body reset. Are you ready to experience the LiberNovo Omni? Take a seat. The world's first dynamic ergonomic chair.